This is the area that needs to have weeds pulled right here in this planter pad. Anywhere where there's wood chips, anywhere where there's rocks. So this section right here, all along here, and behind the retaining wall for just about a 1.5 feet, 2 feet. This section here, this section here, all the weeds have to come up. Not obviously the actual plants. So there's some plants in here. You can leave those, but the weeds that are around them, all these weeds right here, these all need to be pulled up by hand. And then in addition to these 2 planter areas that I just showed you, that one, and the area kind of just behind it, not as far back as that propane tank, but again a little bit behind the brick retaining wall, is the driveway. The weeds here in the driveway need to be pulled up. And then the main section where the weeds need to be pulled is on the inside of this border right here, where you see this black plastic rim. Everything on the inside of that where there's DG. So all along here, don't have to worry about this stuff over here, just on the inside, just anywhere you see this black piece on the inside of that. So it comes through here, goes along the entire, starts to widen a little bit here. So it's comes out to about here, kind of gets wider, and you can see at this point it's out here. Anything on the inside of this, let's go around this palm tree. This area right here, this inside of the area where there's a rock right here, out to those 2 trees, and then anywhere, again, here's the black rim again, anywhere along this perimeter where there is the wood chips. So wood chips, all these weeds got to come up, and right here where there's a DG, all these weeds have to come up inside of the canopy. So this is going to go to right here. You can see the line comes here, this section, and then basically the final section is going to be this little small pad right here, and in between the paver stones, again you can see kind of that line, everything on the inside of that, the paver stones, the DG right here where there's the dirt, and then this section you can leave, don't worry about that. And the final thing is just right along here. You're raked up and cleaned up. Obviously we got a big tumbleweed right here. We got a little bit of grass. So everything here on the inside of the retaining wall, that section needs to be cleaned up, and just a little bit back kind of behind it, so there's a nice clean line. That's it.